I was actually a student here myself, so I did the level 2 course last year, and then throughout the course I got more interested in doing an apprenticeship. So as I was going through, I was getting advice off my lecturers and like everyone else in the workshop with me about the apprenticeship. So towards the end of the course I actually applied for it with help. Then I had to disclose about my disability, so I am disabled. I was born with it, but I actually was lucky enough to get this apprenticeship, and I'm really enjoying it. I enjoy being doing this apprenticeship, not only because I'm learning at the same time, but I'm also in the workshop, on the machines, like actually doing practical side, but then also getting money for it is also helping, because I live in 𝗖𝗿𝗄𝗃, so the money is helping me get back and forth to work, but also to buy some equipment that I need for it as well. On the machines as well, we learn, like I learn, all the different materials we can turn, speeds and everything, and different types of tools we can use. But whereas in the classrooms, we learn more of the theoretical side of everything. I would actually, if someone was looking for an apprenticeship, then I would recommend it to them, because they, as well as learning, they're also doing it as well. So instead of just having someone teach them and watch it, they actually get taught it, they actually do it themselves. So for any women who want to get into, say, an engineering apprenticeship, or any apprenticeship in general, go for it. Don't be afraid. You can do whatever you want. Just go for it, and like just believe.